Hello, I'm Kavita Thakkar. I'm an artist and an educator for an international nail and beauty brand. So, I'm a papercraft artist. So, I started my journey with papercraft. I started taking many workshops and classes, for children and for women. So, these are the different things which I have made, which I have brought here. So, this is punch craft. So, this is made using floral punches, so and needle art. So this is a wall clock which I have made, and this art is called paper quilling. So this is entirely handmade. So I have made it using paper strips, like fine strips of paper, and so it takes a lot of patience and time to make it, but I use my creativity and imagination. So any design, first I visualize what am I going to make, and then I decide what material I would be using for it, the color combination and things like that. So, and then this is what I have made finally. This can also be framed, as a wall frame. And this is paper quilling again. So this entire thing is handmade. So this is a lucky, it's a horseshoe. So in Western tradition, it's considered to be a lucky charm. When people are getting married, they are gifted, the bride is gifted a horseshoe as a lucky charm. And this is an Indian elephant. So this art over here, this is called iris folding. So this center thing here, it represents the lens of a camera. It looks like a lens of the camera, this small thing. So that's why it's called iris folding. And I've used different colors of papers, different color combinations, and I've folded them to create this blanket. So this is an elephant, it's the Indian elephant. So the entire thing again is handmade. So this is how I started my journey. So I've done various workshops. I have 15 years of experience in the paper craft and other art forms. So I have done many different workshops, and I also sell all of my artifacts and my handmade items internationally, worldwide. So I've sold so far in more than 100 countries, USA, Canada, Belgium, worldwide. And currently I am an educator for a nail and beauty brand. So nail extension, which most women know, like I don't have extension on my nails, but this is like the permanent nail art which I have. So I do workshops and trainings and classes for girls who want to learn, who want to take it up as a profession. So professional courses I offer. So I had never really thought that I'll participate in the Miss India, in Perfect Miss of India 2021 contest, in the competition. But because I was given an opportunity, I thought it's a great platform, and it was a great experience coming here and bonding with the team, and sharing and caring with everyone. It was a great thing. So I would love to share whatever my skill and whatever my knowledge is with other women also, so that I can empower them. So currently also the workshops and the trainings which I do, people who come to me, they learn from me, and then they want to start their own career, like their business or their career. So I would love to, so a lot of my students have been inspired after learning from me. They want to start something of their own, or they want to do something on their own. So I'm glad I'm here, and it's a great platform where I can share my skill and my experience with people.
अगर आप क्राउन विन करते जीतते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगेगा?
क्राउन अगर मैं विन करूँगी तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा शॉक्ड और सरप्राइज भी होंगी एट द सेम टाइम, क्योंकि मैंने बिल्कुल भी सोचा नहीं था. एक्चुअली मैंने ये कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए भी बिल्कुल सोचा नहीं था, लेकिन अगर मैं विन करूँगी तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ हैप्पी सरप्राइज. एंड उसके बाद फिर मेरे लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं आगे सोचने के लिए कि मैं क्या करूँ, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ टू मेक माई सेल्फ बेटर, सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प अदर पीपल ऑल्सो टू change things for themselves.
सोसाइटी के लिए क्या करेंगे आगे अगर विन होते हैं आप क्राउन जीतते हैं तो आगे क्या प्लान है?
आगे मेरे प्लान्स हैं कि मैं अभी भी जो किट्स मैं प्रोवाइड करती हूँ, जो लड़कियाँ हैं जो सीखना चाहती हैं, उनको मैं किट्स प्रोवाइड करती हूँ, और उनको मैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट, मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं इंडस्ट्री में, तो अगर किसी को भी जॉब के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है या किसी को अगर बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करना है, उनके पास अगर कैपिटल है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए और उनको कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, चाहे वो घर से हो या चाहे उनके पास इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए अमाउंट है और उनको स्टार्ट करना हो शॉप, तो दोनों ही तरीके से मैं उनको हेल्प कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग लिया है इस चीज़ के लिए। जो नेल इंडस्ट्री है उनमें मैंने जो सर्टिफाइड कोर्सेज़ हैं वो करके मैंने ट्रेनिंग लिया है, तो मैं उनको ट्रेन कर सकती हूँ और वो इंडिपेंडेंट हो सकते हैं। तो ये उनको फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होने के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है।
Thank you.